She'll be.
Okay.
I'll sit on
All right.
it.
So hammer those again for me. All right. So now I need one guitarist to play something.
You need what?
I need one guitarist to play something now. All I'm looking for is levels. I don't need any, you know.
Would have to be Dave.
Okay,
Yeah,
Dave.
I'm almost there.
Just plug in and rail for a minute.
I think it'll be fun, man.
It's a rocket.
I think it'll be awesome.
Just can't stop.
Everybody can get lit up, you know.
Be a jukebox.
It's actually a good song.
It is a good song. That's a good album.
Check.
You know, I'm not a Foreigner guy anymore,
Check,
but I
check.
like him.
I like Foreigner. I just.
I love his voice too. Boogie Graham's voice is killer.
Have you heard much of his stuff outside of?
Just
Have you heard his solo stuff?
that one song.
Holy
Radio.
crap! It's good.
I'm sure it's
It's
good.
really
Like
good.
Robert Plant's is good.
Ow, man.
Oh.
Sorry. Do I need to turn my turbo down?
I just need to
Did I plug these in the wrong thing again?
I'm talking.
You need what?
Check.
I don't know if I can read it. Oh, yeah, I can.
I got a stool right there, dude.
Yep. Why don't you keep doing that?
I don't know.
Really?
That's where that was. I like the lyrics to Jukebox Hero.
Yeah.
There we go. I did have it right.
Okay, so
the
wail.
second time.
Just wail. Just
I like those shirts on you, man. Nice.
Hit your distortion! Distortion! You're gonna be rocking.
All right, Dave. All right, Mike.
Alright, Corporal Ray.
I love that song.
Give me some distortion, Mike. Big. Play big. Just trust me.
I don't know why that's so.
Okay. Just keep jamming.
good.
No thanks.
Dave, you need to bring you cold water?
No, this is right here.
I got my.
Thank you.
Yeah.
What the fuck is
Hey,
that?
what about vocals?
What about vocals? Hello.
Oh yeah.
I didn't touch those.
Check.
Yeah, the red
Check 1, check 2, check 3, check. Wow.
Check. I can't bring this any closer to my mouth, so this is gonna be about as good as it gets. Check. There we go. All right. So I'm pretty sure that all the good bands, all the really good bands, the really successful bands, are all on heroin.
They're on heroin?
So yeah. So at least two
Well,
of
they get
us.
there, don't they?
At least two of us. And I say us because I'm gonna be one. I'll take one for the team.
Check.
Checky check.
Chucky, check.
Hello.
You're gonna have to scream when you say.
Okay.
We're gonna have to get you a set. Maybe we can find one on eBay.
I gotta just,
Fuck, man.
you know, I just don't know what I'm doing yet, so. Mostly I gotta find one that fits my fucking head.
Well, I say you go down to like Guitar Center and all those places, try them on, so you find one that works, and say thank you very much,
Thank
walk
you.
out the
Goodbye.
fucking door and go to Sweetwater and buy the motherfucker.
Good point. So, this is not gonna be a kid party, right?
No,
children.
no. Yeah. They're party animals, man.
So we can play
they
Pound
drink,
Town and
probably
stuff.
drink more than
Yeah.
we do.
Oh, everybody drinks more than I do now.
Okay, I lost the part to the.
A little out of practice, but I'll tell you what, I'm gonna have it for a minute. Tell you, every goddamn one of us under yeah.
Motherfucker.
Oh my god.
I lost that part to
That
the
woman can
live
drink.
wire.
She's always been a good drink.
I thought I had it saved.
show?
Well, let's take a minute though and just decide what we're gonna try to get done today. Right? We only got so many things we can do, but, you know. So if we're opening with
Sorry, guys.
running,
Yeah.
so we gotta figure out like
What were you saying?
how we're gonna come out and all of it. Like, you know, bands like Kiss and every Kiss show starts saying, "You wanted the best,
Right.
you got the best," right? Guns N' Roses, a little different.
He just
Like-
dive out and beat you up.
No, they're like, they have the best ones. Okay, so like, oh my god, yeah. So like, they did a show in Paris. The guy comes out and goes, "Wee wee, motherfuckers!"
Wee wee?
Yeah,
Wee wee.
French, you know.
Yes.
No, I
And-
understand.
He went in there and then like, they had another one. And they go, "Ladies and gentlemen, suck up Guns and fucking Roses." Another one where he said something about, you know, whatever. He had this big announcement, announces him, and then he says, "If you don't like it, you can suck your mama's pussy."
Wow.
Yeah, I think that's a little advanced for us, but you know, we've got a lot of options. So
I like options.
I think it'd be cool to say, like, I think we should have some sort of tagline.
Thanks for coming.
That's the end.
Yeah, I was gonna say that's presumptuous. Let's wait till they do.
Yeah.
I know. I'm not. You know,
Why not
a
be
long McDonald's line.
presumptuous?
They're like, "Thanks for coming." I'm like, "Oh God, you saw that?" So, I think we should. We need a tagline like your mom's favorite band.
Yeah.
Jesse's Girl. We come out with Jesse's Girl. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, just
I think
No, I mean, like when they announce this, what are they gonna say?
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen,
This
Lawrence
is your
Welk.
mom's favorite rock band right here.
There
I
you go.
say
I
we
like
just.
that.
I do too, because it's kind
You
of
know
a
what, that
mom
is
joke,
good.
but it's pretty
That's
mild. So
your
I'm not sure.
mom's favorite dad band. There
It
you
could
go.
be.
Hey, mom's favorite dad band. Yeah.
Does that work?
It's gotta sound like we're having sex with them. It's gotta make people wonder. Like, oh my God, he's banging my mom. Not anymore.
Hey, does that work though?
Next.
Your mom's favorite dad band.
What's a dad band?
That's a dad band. We're dads.
Oh.
We're dad band.
What's the first song?
Running. When you said, "Hey, what's the lineup?" I was gonna say, "Well, I'll lead. I'll be the lead runner, lead batter, and
Lead batter.
Kenny, Dave, then you're gonna do cleanup. We're not gonna have a mark."
I think, you know, based on running, we start out there, right?
Yeah,
And then he's doing his swells,
yeah.
you know?
And then I'll start saying,
So we might as well just come out one at a time.
"Ooh, yeah."
You know, just walk it
So, you know, this song's about when you're up all night, been doing drugs all week,
out, spracked out of your.
haven't slept, and you start seeing all those shadow people. This one's that one. I don't know. I'll figure something.
I'm not gonna give it
We've
to
done
them, but now I know
people
where
to
it
come
is.
out and say, then we got a little spot for the drum solo, a little spot for bass solo, and then dueling guitars. Loud as fuck.
I just want
Neighbors would be like, "What the fuck is happening now?" I don't want to take all our shit, so it's loud and fun. It's gonna be outside. So, the direction of your speaker will only go that way, right? You know what I mean?
I'll do a
So let's-
sound study with the layout.
So
Don't worry
let's
about it.
let's enter the stage. Let's like call it out, and then you know I'll come out and start with this. He comes out and starts with this. pretty cool.
Yeah,
though.
because the way his backyard's set up, we could actually be downstairs in the basement, come up the stairs, and then walk right up onto the platform.
And it's kind of like what you were saying, the Alice machines that are unplugged. They start off with the song, guys. They're starting the acoustic part, then the drums come in, and then the bass player walks up and sits in his chair and starts
I just think
playing.
it'll look cool.
Yeah.
Plus,
And Layton
if we
comes
do
out.
this, if this becomes a thing and there's a whole shit ton of people, it's almost like a little intro.
Right.
I mean, we could do that. We could, but I think it'd be more fun to just walk out there and, because if there's a crowd of people, and there's people we know and shit like that, people are like, yeah, come out there. I don't know. I was just watching a Slipknot thing and they kept, there's, every time they'd have the lights doing shit, and all of a sudden, boom, there's another one, and there's another one, and there's 3 or 4 more, and, So we checked, or we...
Well, Randy will probably introduce it.
Have Lori do it.
Or Tim, yeah. Well, I don't know about Tim, but
Tim will introduce us. He'll be a little shit-faced probably by then. I'm sure he's happy when he's through.
yeah.
All right, so
You guys have already been
intro,
I haven't
come
been
out.
out anyway.
we start that song.
That's all weird.
That will be cordless.
I will be.
I would like to be cordless too.
Make sure yours still works. Yeah, make sure we have correct batteries. It'll be fun as fuck, man.
Yeah.
I got this red wig.
That would be funny. It would be funny to either have masks or wigs or something crazy that would come out and everyone's like, what the fuck? And we're like, hold on. We gotta figure out what we're gonna wear,
Yeah,
how we're gonna dress.
Very cool.
I mean,
yeah.
maybe Harley stuff.
Harley. I'll be Harley.
If one of us is gonna do it, we all gotta do it. Otherwise, we're gonna look like the village people.
What? Harleys?
Yeah, we got a Harley guy, and we got the Indian, and we got whatever.
I'm
You know what I'm saying?
I'm dressing just like this. So.
Okay. All right. Well, you guys can do what you do, man.
Let's just do what we do.
I don't think it matters. I'm just saying, like, these are things for life.
It's about outfits, really.
That's what we're gonna wear.
Pinstripes.
I think we should wear tuxedos. Like
I think coveralls and hockey masks.
You like the mask stuff.
I don't know. I just want people to think we're gonna kill them. I don't think that's too bad. All right. So, the difference between a rehearsal and a practice is we're gonna come out and we're gonna fucking play the songs, right? We're gonna come and do the show.
Right.
So we're not going to talk about shit. We're not going to discuss it. We're going to play one song. We'll play the next song. I mean, we'll, talk to the audience, but like, we're not going to be like, oh, let's go back and do this
And
part.
drinking.
We're not going
Right.
to stop.
And smoking.
Right.
Okay. And so it's a show.
So let's
Right.
just balls through this.
The whole set.
All set.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Let's
So
walk
you
out.
guys
Come
gotta
back
be
in.
like somebody's gotta be an intermission talker between me flipping fucking pages. So, and I'm gonna have to take the lyrics, or I'll fuck it all.
No, yeah, take the lyrics.
By then, you should have it.
I should have it by now. What are you talking about?
I know.
Fuck, it's been a year.
So
I wrote this shit.
So Dave's gonna start this, or Kenny's gonna start this?
Kenny's gonna start it.
All right, Dave, we gotta walk over here like we're not part of the deal here.
Yeah.
Dude, you just want to do the opposite of everything we're fucking saying, don't you? Really? Jesus Christ, you've argued on every fucking point. We're not gonna have an announcement. Fuck you guys. We're just going out there.
This is play.
All right.
I just want to rock.
So first up is gonna be Dave.
So you're gonna come out and hit the.
I'm gonna come out and start that.
Hit the pedal,
And
Dave.
everybody's
You'll be
gonna
like, hi,
"What the
everybody.
No, he's just gonna walk out there, nonchalant, like that, sit down, and do, and then,
fuck?" I'll come out and go,
Yeah, I want you to
"Bow."
just do that. a couple
I'll walk
times.
out, I'll do that.
okay.
He'll come out. He'll start doing his
Okay.
swells.
You come out and start doing the.
Yeah, I'm out after Mike's out, or Dave's out.
All right.
Yeah.
And then you're coming in. Yeah. All right.
Yeah, I'm running out.
So we don't break character. We don't stop any songs. And we don't.
Muscle through it.
This is the
Just
show.
muscle through it. It's
We
gonna get
fuck
funny.
up.
This is the show.
Yep.
We fuck up, we fucking gotta power through it.
We just do it. All right.
All right.
I like nothing happened.
This is the show.